Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ruth Mowo and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider to subscribe and join the family. You are more than welcome. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about GetResponse. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing software. That means you can create landing pages, you can create pop-ups, you can create forms and surveys, you can create email newsletters, and even have webinars that you can host up to 100 attendees. That means there's a lot you can do with GetResponse. Guys, they also have a 30-day free sign up for anybody that wants to try GetResponse. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So all you have to do is go sign up, create an account here, put your name, email, and password. It is free for 30 days. You don't have to have your credit card, and you can cancel anytime after your 30 days. So guys, this is exactly what you're going to get. Marketing automation, they got analytics. You can test your product, which one goes well. You can even create webinars and do something and learn. And so if you're very new, they also have a course that is about list building. It's a list building program that you can learn about email marketing, the do's and don'ts, what lead magnets are, how you can create them, So this is good for GetResponse. So since today I'm just giving you a tour about GetResponse, I'm not going to go deep into GetResponse because I have created other videos that are going to show you about how to create landing pages step by step, how to create HTML step by step, how to create a conversion sales funnel step by step. So this is just a tour, guys, and to just show you a little bit about the features, a little bit about the pricing, a little bit about how you can join, how you can sign up and see if it's good for your business. Now, I know somebody may be asking, if you're asking if GetResponse is good for you. Now, let me just be brief and say, GetResponse is good for small businesses, for individuals, for affiliate marketers, and even large businesses. So by the way, GetResponse is good for anybody, really, because it offers all the tools that you're needing. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're working from home, you can create amazing webinars and teach people online through GetResponse. See, this is the kind of software somebody like me and like you should be looking for. So now that I've said about all that, let me show you about email marketing. If you're looking to create beautiful emails and send them to your customers, whether to welcome them, whether as a follow-up, even to educate, then you can create amazing templates that you can use. These amazing templates that GetResponse offers. Now let me just give you a brief tour about these templates. If you have a sale or a big Friday sale, Cyber Monday, look guys, or even you want to give them a free guide, just let me scroll slowly so you can see. As you can see, this is it. Or if you are into affiliate marketing and you have a code that you would like to send it to your customers or your subscribers, there you got it. You can give it to them through email and showing them this. Look, if you ask me, I do open my emails. I know you too do. But if you see such a beautiful email being sent to your inbox, trust me, you can not fail to read it. And sometimes you end up reading it. So that's the advantage of GetResponse, really. And if you're looking to have beautiful landing pages are beautiful. They have they are beautiful, really. Let me just show you a little bit about landing pages. You can create landing pages to send them beautiful lead magnets, like beautiful ebooks. You can just send them for free and have people just sign up and put their emails there. You can there's a lot you can do. So it depends with your kind of niche, really. Then there's a lot that you can do. So guys, let me just show you a little bit about if you are new and you are not so sure if GetResponse, or after you've looked for this, you've gone through this list building program and you still want more, then there's always more every now and then, because GetResponse has a blog, by the way, and it can teach you about email marketing for beginners, all about email automation. Everything you need to know is here, and other than that, there is more to it. The pricing, you can integrate GetResponse with your blog if you are a blogger, for example, or maybe an entrepreneur, online marketer. Also, you can join their affiliate program. They have an affiliate program, by the way. That is something that I'll explain in another day and in another video. So don't forget to check my videos to learn about GetResponse affiliate program. So guys, I'm going to finish this video by showing you about the GetResponse prices, and this is it. So currently this is the plan that I'm using, the plus, sorry, because it has got everything to do with basics and also some additional, like for basic there's only one sales funnel, but here we got 5 funnels. And if you are an affiliate marketer, it is good to have more funnels. So you can even have 5 webinar funnels, guys. That means you can create a video like I am doing and then upload it online, and people will register, put their emails, their names and emails, and register for your webinar. That means you have a list and you give them the advantage of listening to you and watching your videos, but by the end of the day, you have them as your customers. You can send them beautiful emails, you can send them free gifts, free ebooks with just GetResponse. So guys, for now, that is it about GetResponse. But let's just look a little bit about the features before I go. So you can integrate Facebook with GetResponse and get your subscribers to be part of your email list. You can automate. That means there's a lot you can do. You can create all this, I'm sure I've talked, but hey guys, also they have paid ads. That means you can create social media ads, Google search ads in one place. That is in GetResponse. So thank you guys for listening to me. I'm going to leave a description down below about GetResponse, and I'm also going to leave for those that are affiliate marketers and you're new and thinking about what is this thing they call affiliate marketing, I'm also going to leave a free ebook and a link down below with a free ebook for you to just go through and learn about the affiliate marketing terminologies. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you for joining me, thank you for listening, and I hope you check my other videos to learn about how to create a landing page with GetResponse. Thank you, and see you on my next video.